everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I wanted to show you how I made some polymer clay slab earrings. So I'm sure you've seen pictures of polymer clay slabs before. It's basically where you take one base color and then start adding different patterns like flowers, or in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this sort of 80s 90s sort of retro pattern, putting it all onto the main piece of clay and then cutting out with your cutters. I've never tried this before, and if you've seen my previous video you'll know that I just recently got a big pack of Arteza polymer clay which has like 42 colors in it, which is pretty cool. So I really wanted to try out this pre-colored clay, put on a pattern and see if I can make it work. This was kind of a long process to create this pattern. It was very fiddly. The clay itself was quite tacky, so I found that it stuck to my fingers and stuff like that, which was a little bit annoying. So if you have any tips for how to deal with the tackiness of the clay, please comment below. That would be really helpful for me. But in any event, just sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and I'll show you my process for these. And here are the finished earrings. Unfortunately, I wanted to show you me drilling the holes in them with my new Dremel and assembling them, but the footage just did not work out. So hopefully I'll be able to show you how to drill holes and stuff in the next video. But I thought these earrings turned out really lovely. I was really happy with the color combination. And I also made a little necklace. I had this little pink string. I thought that matched really well and looks super cute. So these will be available in my shop soon. I don't know when, but I'll let you know. And now it's time to show you my favorite part of my week. Every single week I go to this charity shop called Hope, and this week I really wanted to look for more furniture for the studio because, as you know, there's just nothing in there whatsoever. So this charity shop has everything from knickknacks, bowls, clothing, furniture. So let's have a look and see if we can find anything good. So as you can probably already tell, I had a very successful shop at Hope and I got a lot of little bits of furniture and things for the studio. So first of all, I brought up this coffee table, which was actually in our kitchen. I couldn't find a desk and I still can't find a desk. I'll keep hunting. But for now, this little coffee table will do for me to be able to do some sort of work at. I also got the most fantastic and super squishy comfortable armchair, which was a bit of a struggle to get through the kind of hole into the attic that is our studio, but here it is. I'll show you. It's super 70s and I absolutely love it. I also got this cute little plant stand, and the David Dickinson antique chase was an absolutely necessary purchase, of course. I also picked up the little yellow velvet stool that you saw me with earlier because I knew I was planning to use this coffee table, and I had used it before and it's super uncomfortable to just sit at with a cushion, so this little stool is perfect. I also picked up the little ceramic cherry basket because I really wanted somewhere to put my massive collection of washi tape that I have at the minute. And that is everything I have for you for this week's video. Thanks so much for taking the time to hang out with me. I hope you got some good ideas for some polymer clay slab earrings and enjoyed the little sort of thrifting haul that I had for my studio. I will see you in next week's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
I love it.